Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have incoming mail. This is from Mommy and Me Crafts. She had hosted a sweetheart swap, secret sweetheart swap. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this. This is what my box came looking like. Mailman, postal service, put it in one of the boxes, I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I'm kind of upset because they really smashed it, really did, and I'm hoping that whatever is in here survived, because I don't know. But anyway, you can't trust the postal service. Oh my gosh. I just hope it's not damaged. So let me get it open and see who I got for my swap. So it was a loaded jelly tote that we were supposed to create, and you could put whatever you wanted into the swap. So, oh, look at that. Who is this? Monti! Oh my gosh, this is the first time I received Monti swap. Oh my gosh. And then there's this little blue package right here. Wow. How cute. Let me see. Okay. I love she has it's got some yarn, I used that too. Yeah. Look at how cute. It says, I'm totally nuts about you. It says, to crafty friend, secret sweetheart swap 2024 from Monti, the polka dot pine cone. Oh my God. This is so awesome. I'm sure you all are following this amazing crafter. She is, oh my goodness, amazing. Let's get this beautiful thing open and get into it. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's been a minute since I've seen it. I forgot already. I mean, I think I watched all the videos of the unboxing, but you forget. But look, it's so cute. It says, oh my. And a beautiful ticket. Let's see. Get into it already, Eileen. And look at her tote. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Hold on. I need to take a picture. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I took my picture. I love this. I don't know what collection this that she used. Look at all the tickets. How cute. Oh my gosh. What collection is this? Lonely Hearts Club. How cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. And she's got a little red bow here. I'm just dissecting everything because I admire her so much. She is so crafty. Look at what she did. This is the Scrap Diva straw bow topper or something like that. And she put it on a pencil. How cute. And she just put an eye screw into the eraser, added a tassel. How cute. Oh my gosh. And we all see this, the pencils at Dollar Tree and Walmart, and you get so many in a package. I love this idea. Oh my gosh, Monti. She is so clever, I'm telling you. Okay, this die, I don't know what this die is. Oh, is this? This has to be Scrap Divas, I think. The Love Stamp Mini something. This was, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at her ribbon. And the XO, ooh, that is shiny. Those beads are amazing, Monti. I need to know where you got those. Come on, share your secrets. Says, give me a kiss. Oh my goodness. I love this collection. Look at the Hershey Kisses puff sticker. Oh, and the lips. Okay, that is a acrylic. And then the, oh gosh, the sequin. How perfect is that? These are cute. I didn't do that much. I didn't do that many projects, man. I feel like I didn't do enough. Made with Love by the Polka Dot Pine Cone. I believe she's also Polka Dot Pine Cone on Instagram too, guys. So go check her out there. And then, oh my goodness. Love you a waffle lot. So cute. Ooh, I like her trim. I have some of this tablecloth. I made trims with it also before. Now that I'm crafting more often, I forget to use things like this, you know? Oh, she used the little tiny attacher. How cute. Tiny attacher? I call it tiny stapler. Look at this one. Again with the micro beads. Oh my goodness. Monty, please, please, please. Or maybe I should just go and check out her channel. She might have it linked already. How sweet it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Sorry. La la love. Oh my goodness. She has XOXO paper clips. And then the little giant heart sequence. That is cute. And then she's got some paper confetti. Well, it's, you know, store-bought, but it's cute. Love it. Oh my gosh, Monty. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. How cute. You tend to forget to do these things. Like it's there at Walmart for 98 cents, you guys. Those picks go so cheap towards the closer it gets to the holiday. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, I love it. That is so pretty. What else? Did I pull something else out? Look at this. Tied with heartstrings. Oh my gosh. I'm going to keep that heart. Is it on a sticky? Yes. Oh yes, I'm taking that. Perfect. I'm going to stick it right here with the other hearts. I think this is the Scrap Diva heart. Look at this shower comb. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, so cool. Oh, there's a little puffy sticker right there. I'm going to take that too. And I'm going to put it here. I don't know if it goes there, but I'm going to put it there. How cute. Oh my gosh, there's so much in this little tote. Look at this thing. It's gorgeous. The mailman is kind of disappointing because it looked like he took my box and just drop kicked it into my mailbox. So upset. Oh my goodness, look at her. She shared some head pins, some jump rings. That is so clever. Yes. And we always need these, right, ladies? Am I right? Am I right? These are always handy to have. That's very cool. In the bubble wand. Oh my gosh, I got so much of those too, and I always forget to use them. And then she's got a little heart container. Oh, do I dare open these? This one. Okay, good thing I am prepared. I have a bowl here. I just emptied it too. Like I just put the stuff away. Like that's so crazy. Oh my gosh. It's so fabulous. Oh my God. Oh yes. Monty. Look at this mix. Oh my God. I gotta pour it out. Got to pour it out. There's little micro hearts also. Look at this mix, you guys. There's arrows in there. There's clay bits that are like, what is that called? You know, like pink into white. And then she's got the conversation heart sequence. How pretty. And then there's lips too. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there's some little hollow hearts. Look at, oh, thought I had it. Nope, nope, nope. Do I got it? Yeah, there it is. Look at that hollowed heart. Oh, this is such a great mix, Monty. Thank you, Patty. Thank you for giving me Monty. Woo-hoo. Oh my gosh. Sorry for my sniffles. Look at this. This is cute. She used a toothpick, or she cut the stick shorter. This is the Dollar Tree heart. The heart picks. Oh my gosh. And then she used the tablecloth. How cute. This is the case. Is this Erica's die? The stamp? Let me know, guys. These are, I think these are nail files. Are these nail files? I think so, yeah. I think those are nail files. Yeah, they are. They're nail files. Oh my gosh, Eileen, get a hold of yourself. Look at that. I have some of these too, and I never remember to use all the things. Ah, how cute. She put socks. How cute. Oh my God. Look, it's got glitter. It's the glitter heart. Oh my goodness, how cute. Oh, thank you, thank you. And then the last thing we have, she has a little jar here. I think it's a jar. I think. Oh boy, I'm gonna tear this sucker up. Oh, let me get it, guys. I think it is. It's a jar. Ah, it's the teddy bear jar. Oh my God, Monty. You are so awesome. Look at this thing. So cute. My Dollar Tree never brought it in, or if they did, somebody had swiped it all up because it was never there when I went. So, oh my God, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, Monty, I hope you got my swap. And if you do, I hope you love it. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Patty. Thank you, Monty. This is just so much love right here. I really appreciate you. Oh my gosh. And Patty always putting these marvelous, fabulous, swaps together. I love it. I love it. I'm just trying to arrange it so I could take another picture. But yes, you guys, this is so beautiful. Guys, I will leave their links in the description box down below. So if you're interested, go check them out. Please go check them out and give them some crafty love and, tell them where you came from my channel or something, They might have a piece of candy for you. I don't know. But check them out, guys. So thank you again for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family, and hit the notification bell. And that way you'll know when I load another video or go live on my channel. Ah. Thank you, guys. Bye.